The modern UFO era began in 1947. A businessman named Kenneth Arnold saw 9 unusual objects flying near Mount Rainier. He described their movement as like saucers skipping on water. The press seized on this comparison. Flying saucers quickly entered the public lexicon. This event, coupled with the mysterious Roswell incident later that year, sparked widespread fascination with UFOs. Early sightings often involved disc-shaped objects. Witnesses described strange lights and incredible speeds. Reports came from all over the world. People were both excited and frightened. Was the Earth being visited by beings from other planets? Governments, particularly in the United States, took notice. Project Blue Book, a secret Air Force investigation, was launched in 1952. It aimed to determine if UFOs posed a national security threat. For decades, UFOs remained in the realm of speculation and fringe science. The stigma of being labeled a conspiracy theorist kept many silent. However, a growing number of researchers, scientists, and even some government officials began to argue that the phenomenon deserves serious attention. They pointed to the sheer volume of sightings, many from credible witnesses, as evidence that something unexplained was happening. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. In recent years, the conversation around UFOs has shifted dramatically. The Pentagon, long tight-lipped about the issue, has taken the unprecedented step of officially releasing videos taken by Navy pilots. These videos show unidentified objects moving in ways that defy our understanding of physics. The objects, often described as tic-tacs due to their shape, exhibit no visible means of propulsion and seem to accelerate and maneuver with impossible agility. These releases have lent a new level of credibility to the UFO debate. No longer relegated to blurry photographs and anecdotal accounts, the phenomenon is now documented with advanced military technology. The Pentagon's acknowledgement has fueled a renewed sense of urgency among researchers and the public alike. What are these objects? Where do they come from? And what do they mean for humanity? The release of these videos is only the tip of the iceberg. The Pentagon has admitted to possessing a vast archive of data on UFOs, much of which remains classified. This secrecy, while understandable from a national security perspective, has only deepened the mystery. What information is the government withholding, and why? The answers to these questions could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The declassified videos released by the Pentagon have captivated the public's imagination. One video, captured by a Navy FA-18 Super Hornet in 2004, shows a white, oblong object moving rapidly over the ocean. The pilots are heard expressing astonishment at its speed and maneuverability. "Look at that thing, dude," one exclaims. "It's rotating." Another video, filmed in 2015, shows a similar object, this time surrounded by a strange, shimmering aura. These videos are just a small sample of the wealth of visual evidence that has emerged in recent years. With the advent of smartphones and social media, UFO sightings have become increasingly common. While many of these sightings can be attributed to mundane objects like drones, planes, or weather phenomena, some remain unexplained. The sheer volume and variety of sightings, coupled with the advanced technology used to capture them, make it increasingly difficult to dismiss all UFO reports as misidentifications or hoaxes. The proliferation of UFO footage has also raised concerns about misinformation and the spread of conspiracy theories. With so much information circulating online, it can be difficult to separate fact from fiction. This highlights the need for critical thinking and responsible reporting when it comes to the UFO phenomenon. It also underscores the importance of continued scientific investigation into these unexplained events. The term UFO has long been associated with extraterrestrial spacecraft. However, in recent years, there has been a shift toward using the term unexplained aerial phenomena, UAP. This change in terminology reflects a more nuanced approach to the phenomenon. It acknowledges that not all unidentified objects in the sky are necessarily alien spacecraft. They could be advanced drones, experimental aircraft, or even natural phenomena that we don't yet understand. The use of the term UAP also helps to destigmatize the topic. By removing the association with little green men and flying saucers, it encourages a more objective and scientific approach to the study of these objects. This is essential if we are to separate genuine mysteries from misinterpretations and hoaxes. The study of UAPs is a complex and challenging endeavor. It requires expertise in a wide range of fields, including aviation, physics, atmospheric science, and even psychology. Despite the challenges, there is a growing recognition that UAPs represent a legitimate scientific mystery that deserves serious attention. By applying rigorous scientific methods and critical thinking, we can hope to gain a better understanding of these phenomena and their implications for our world. While sightings of UAPs are intriguing, some reports go even further. These involve close encounters or even alleged abductions by extraterrestrial beings. These accounts are often met with skepticism and disbelief, and for good reason. They are often based on anecdotal evidence and can be difficult, if not impossible, to verify. However, the sheer volume and consistency of these reports, from all over the world and across different cultures, warrant further investigation. Abduction accounts often share striking similarities. Witnesses describe being taken aboard a spacecraft, often against their will. They may undergo medical examinations or procedures. Some report having implants inserted into their bodies. Others describe encounters with beings that communicate telepathically. While these accounts can seem fantastical, they should not be dismissed out of hand. They represent a potential window into the unknown, and as such deserve careful and objective study. One of the challenges in studying abduction accounts is the subjective nature of human memory. Memories can be influenced by a variety of factors, including stress, trauma, and even cultural beliefs. This makes it difficult to determine whether these accounts are accurate recollections of real events or the product of psychological processes. Despite these challenges, researchers are developing new techniques for studying abduction experiences, including hypnotic regression and brain imaging studies. While these techniques are not without their limitations, they may offer valuable insights into the nature of these enigmatic encounters. The possibility of extraterrestrial life has fascinated humanity for centuries. The vastness of the universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, suggests that we are not alone. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, has further fueled this belief. Many of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be suitable for life as we know it. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a scientific endeavor that uses radio telescopes and other instruments to search for signals from intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. While SETI has yet to detect a confirmed alien signal, the search continues. The discovery of even a simple radio transmission from another world would have profound implications for humanity, confirming that we are not alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is not limited to listening for radio signals. Scientists are also exploring the possibility of life on other planets and moons within our own solar system. For example, the icy moons Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, are thought to harbor vast oceans of liquid water beneath their frozen surfaces. These oceans could potentially support microbial life or even more complex organisms. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our innate curiosity and our desire to understand our place in the grand scheme of the universe. The implications of discovering extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would be profound. It would challenge our understanding of biology, evolution, and even religion. It would force us to confront our place in the universe and our responsibilities to other intelligent beings. The discovery of a technologically advanced civilization could have significant implications for our own technological development. The possibility of contact with extraterrestrial intelligence raises a host of ethical and philosophical questions. How would we communicate with beings so different from ourselves? What would be the protocols for interaction? Should we attempt to make contact at all? These are complex questions with no easy answers. They require careful consideration by scientists, policymakers, and the public alike. The potential impact of extraterrestrial contact on human society is difficult to predict. Some believe that it would unite humanity in a common purpose, fostering cooperation and understanding. Others fear that it could lead to panic, conflict, or even exploitation. Regardless of the outcome, there is no doubt that contact with another intelligent species would be a transformative event in human history, forever altering our perception of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The early years of UFO sightings coincided with a period of intense geopolitical tension. The Cold War, a global standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union, fueled a climate of fear and paranoia. Both superpowers were engaged in a race to develop nuclear weapons and spacefaring technology. Against this backdrop, it's not surprising that many people interpreted UFO sightings as a threat. Governments on both sides of the Iron Curtain were quick to investigate UFO reports, fearing that the other side had developed a technological advantage. This led to the creation of secret government programs dedicated to studying the phenomenon. The secrecy surrounding these programs only served to fuel public speculation and distrust. The Cold War also saw a proliferation of disinformation and propaganda related to UFOs. Each side accused the other of fabricating sightings to sow fear and confusion. This misinformation campaign made it difficult to separate genuine reports from fabricated stories, further muddying the waters of UFO research. Even today, decades after the end of the Cold War, the legacy of secrecy and suspicion surrounding UFOs persists, hindering efforts to understand the phenomenon objectively. The UFO phenomenon has always been intertwined with conspiracy theories. From government cover-ups to secret alien bases, speculation runs rampant. While many of these theories are easily dismissed as outlandish, some are more difficult to ignore. The government's long history of secrecy regarding UFOs has only fueled these theories. The lack of transparency has created a vacuum that is easily filled by speculation and conjecture. Without access to official information, the public is left to draw its own conclusions, often based on incomplete or inaccurate information. This has led to a climate of distrust and skepticism, making it difficult to have a rational and informed discussion about the UFO phenomenon. Despite the prevalence of conspiracy theories, it's important to remember that the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Just because we haven't proven the existence of extraterrestrial life or government cover-ups doesn't mean they don't exist. It simply means that we need more information. The truth, as they say, is out there, somewhere. Belief in UFOs and alien visitation is often portrayed as a fringe belief, the domain of conspiracy theorists and science fiction enthusiasts. However, polls consistently show that a significant percentage of the population believes that we are not alone in the universe. This belief is often rooted in a sense of wonder and awe at the vastness of the cosmos. For many, the belief in extraterrestrial life offers a sense of hope and possibility. It suggests that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven with countless threads of life. This belief can be a source of comfort and inspiration, particularly in a world often marked by conflict and uncertainty. The power of belief, however, can also be a double-edged sword. While it can inspire curiosity and a desire for exploration, it can also lead to dogma and unquestioning acceptance of even the most outlandish claims. This is why critical thinking and a healthy dose of skepticism are essential when navigating the often murky waters of ufology. The UFO phenomenon, despite decades of study and debate, remains an enigma. We are no closer to definitive answers today than we were 70 years ago. However, this is not a reason to abandon inquiry. On the contrary, the enduring mystery of UFOs is a call for continued investigation, for rigorous scientific study, and for open and honest dialogue. The study of UFOs should not be relegated to the fringes of science or dismissed as the pursuit of conspiracy theorists. It is a legitimate scientific endeavor that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. By approaching the phenomenon with an open mind and a commitment to scientific rigor, we can hope to unravel its mysteries and unlock its secrets. The pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey, and the study of UFOs is no exception. It is a journey that requires curiosity, skepticism, and a willingness to challenge our assumptions. It is a journey that may lead us to unexpected destinations, revealing truths that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. The UFO phenomenon, regardless of whether it ultimately proves to be of terrestrial or extraterrestrial origin, forces us to confront fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. Are we alone in the universe? What is the nature of reality? What is our responsibility to other intelligent beings should they exist? These are not easy questions to answer. They challenge our deeply held beliefs about ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of things. They force us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the vastness of the unknown. The search for answers to these questions is a journey of self-discovery. a journey that takes us beyond the confines of our planet and into the realm of the cosmos. It is a journey that reminds us of both our insignificance in the face of the vast universe and our unique ability to contemplate its mysteries. The pursuit of knowledge about UFOs is ultimately a pursuit of self-knowledge, a quest to understand who we are, where we come from, and where we are going as a species.